The Egyptian or Greek goddess smoky eye makeup look is a fun and dramatic way to make your eyes stand out. To achieve this bold look, start by drawing your desired eyebrow shape with small strokes for a more natural effect. Next, use an eyebrow brush to blend the color with your natural eyebrows, and add a light concealer around the finished shape for an extra clean look. Set your brows with eyebrow gel, and prime your eyelids with concealer to make the eyeshadow color pop. Line the sides of your eyes with tape to create a sharp eyeshadow line. Use gel eyeliner to create a V shape on the middle of the eyelid, blending it out with navy blue eyeshadow. Apply another shade of eyeshadow to the middle of the eyelid and blend it with the previous shadow for a smoky effect. Create a wing with eyeliner and line the bottom waterline with a nude pencil, ending with black eyeliner at the outer lash line. Curl your eyelashes and apply false lashes if desired for an extra bold look. Clean up any smudges and finish with a coat of mascara.